Hi, my name is Komal Mishra. I have completed my data scientist course from Yes Infotech, which is a software institute in Magadpatta with a nice percentage. And I got placed in the multinational company, which is a Dextrin Technology. It is as an IT professional with a 7 lakh package. It was very nice experience to learn new things in Yes Infotech. And first of all, I would like to thank you, my family, my professors who always guided me, who always supported me in my this journey. It was very nice to learn new things in technical background. Thank you so much, and this is the turning point of my whole career. Thank you so much for your support.
येस इन्फोटेक हा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा, त्यासमोरील बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा आणि तुमचे IT जॉब मिळण्याचे चान्सेस 10 पटीने वाढवा. ते